Assalamu alaikum dear students of grade 7. Today is 27th April 2020 and the day is Wednesday. In SST Social Studies we were started chapter number 10, which is the early Muslims at page number 49, and we were studied the important features of this chapter about Umayyad dynasty, Abbasids and the Crusades. And we will study today the rest of the dynasties: Fatimid, Seljuk, Ayyubid, Mamluk, Ottoman and Mongols. Okay. So, Fatimid dynasty, its important features are this dynasty came to power in 910. Abdullah al-Mahdi was the founder of this dynasty. Main cities of this dynasty were Egypt, Syria, parts of Eastern Arabia, Malta, across North Africa to Morocco. Okay. Seljuk dynasty, its important features are this dynasty came to power in 1037. Seljuk Beg was the founder of this dynasty. The empire was established by Tughril Beg. When you listen the word, this is not a word, it's a name, Tughril Beg, Tughril. So, is there anything which come to your mind? Is there anything? I will tell you after the end of the lecture. Okay. Till you think about it. Main cities were Turkey, modern Uzbekistan, Persian Gulf and Oman. Oman. It's Oman. Ayyubid dynasty, the important features of this dynasty is this dynasty came to power in 1169. Nuruddin Zangi was the founder of this dynasty. Most famous ruler was Salahuddin al-Ayyubi. Its main city was Syria. Mamluk dynasty. Important features came to power in 1250. Were mainly this dynasty mainly belonged to Turk and Mongol origin. Main cities were Syria, Palestine and Egypt. Ottoman dynasty, its important features are this dynasty came to power in 1281. One of the longest ruling dynasty belonged to Turkish origin. It was one of the longest ruling dynasty. Its duration of ruling duration was very much long, one of the longest. And this dynasty belongs to Turkish origin. Main ruler was Muhammad II. Other personalities were Suleiman, Salim II. Main place was Constantinople. Okay, Constantinople. So here it's okay. The other is Mongols dynasty. Its important features are it came to power in 1206. Origin was Central Asia. Its well-known leaders were Genghis Khan and Hulagu Khan. Mongols were originally nature worshippers. They were worshippers. They showed tolerance towards other faiths, towards other religions, towards the believers of the other religions. They converted to Islam in the 13th and 14th century. Okay. Now these are the, as you are in grade 7, so I have just take out the important points of this chapter, so you can easily be understand and you can compare these dynasties by these points. Or I have tried to make comparison between these dynasties. They were all mostly they were Muslim rulers, and they struggled a lot for the Muslim empire. And here you are I have told you about Tughril Beg. So nowadays as on YouTube you can see, I don't know the drama is coming at or any channel or not, but I have saw in on YouTube, the Tughril drama. It's Turkish, and it is coming in Urdu dubbing as well. It's on air in Urdu dubbing as well. And if you want to know about these dynasties, about the Seljuk dynasty, so you will have to watch this drama Tughril, Artughril. So you can easily be understand what will happen, what was happened there in this dynasty, how they struggled for their religion, or how the Christians were in their way, they were stopping them, they were creating hurdles in the way of you can say Islam. So if you want to know further details about this, so Artughril drama you can watch. Thank you.